Hey everybody, it's Danie from thiscurvylife.com, and I am just going to share with you some wonderful things that came in the mail today from Go Love Yourself, which is a new subscription box service, and they specialize in self-care. And I think that's so important because there's so many things that keep us from caring for ourselves, but we have to care for so many other people. So it's important that you invest in yourself so that you have the emotional real estate to care for others. So let's get into the box, shall we? Okay, so I love this box. I love the packaging and these little touches. Thank you, Sharon, for the notes. Congratulations to you and your team. There is a lot of work and care that went into every detail of this box. Just look at the packaging. It's so nice. It keeps everything nice and safe. And of course, I went through this so that I can know a little bit more to share with you guys. But I want to tell you there is a theme for this box. And the theme is here. It comes with a book on Ikigai, and I'm hoping that I'm saying that right. This is my first time kind of hearing about it. And basically what this means, it's about your purpose for your life and how to find the thing that makes you get up and do things in your life, and that's your Ikigai. And so there is a lot of wonderful things that they put here in order for you to find some balance and examine yourself and get to your Ikigai. And I love, along with the book, came a little workbook so that you can, really get the most out of the book. And then there's all these goodies. So let's get to it, okay? This is one of my faves. This is a sugar scrub, and it says self-care is a sugar scrub on a Saturday. Treat yourself, honey. Since I'm on staycation every day is Saturday, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And then in here, along with this super cool graph, I forget what these are called. These snazzy graphs that talks about all these different areas in your life and how they meet, and that basically leads to your purpose. So if you open it up, there's some wonderful tea. Look at this yummy loose leaf tea. How beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. It smells like cherry and vanilla and all this wonderful stuff. Oh, it smells wonderful. And don't worry, since it's loose tea, it comes with a little diffuser so that you can, infuser, I'm sorry, a little tea ball infuser so that you can go ahead and make your tea and enjoy that. And then it also comes with this hand-poured soy candle, and it smells like cherry blossoms. Oh, smells so good. The theme is so nice. And then check this out, you guys. It has a cherry blossom bath bomb. Smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use that. It's really big. Look, it's really big. And then we have these really cute cards with all these wonderful things and reminders so that you can find your Ikigai. Yeah. So let me check all these out. And then another thing that I really like, I thought this was a cool touch. They put in this little pamphlet brochure thing to show you how the box works, show you all the people that were involved in making this a possibility. So congratulations to everyone that had a role in this box. Congratulations to Sharon for this wonderful idea. This is a great theme, these cherry blossoms. And then on this page, it has a complete breakdown about how you're supposed to use each of these and the pricing breakdown. So you can see you're getting a lot for your money for this box. So I love it. I'm going to do a full review on thiscurvylife.com. But I hope you guys will check out Go Love Yourself box, and you can follow them on Instagram at the Go Love Yourself box, and you can follow me on Instagram at This Curvy Life, and on Facebook and Twitter at This Curvy Life. So I hope that you guys like it, and I hope you'll be checking out the post soon. Okay, guys, bye.